Hello everyone, it's Angel from the Abernathy's Go Green, and today I have for you my March Petit Vour unboxing. But before we do that, I like to always do a review of what we received in last month's box. So let's go ahead and get started with that first. The first thing that I got in the February box is this Elate Clean Cosmetics Cream Revealer. It is their concealer that I got in the shade Fawn, and it is what I have under my eyes right now. I absolutely love this for a no makeup look because the coverage in this can be built up, but you can also put just a tiny bit and it's not like a full coverage under your eye. Like right now I don't have any foundation or tinted moisturizer on and I just have this under my eyes, and I think it looks pretty darn good, and I've used quite a bit of it. As you can see, you do have to warm the product up with your fingertips first before you blend it in, because even this morning it's been pretty chilly here in Oklahoma still, even though it's March, almost April. So whenever I opened this morning, I thought it had gone bad or dried up because the top of it was really hard. But once I worked my fingers in there, it became really creamy again and I was able to apply it. I also like this for spot concealing with an eyeshadow blending brush is what I use, because I don't have or really see the need for a dedicated concealer brush. So I just use like an eyeshadow blending brush and I just blend in the edges so that way I don't have like a harsh, like, wow, you're covering up, is it type of a mark on my face. But yeah, I've really been enjoying this. I like that it comes in the little tiny pot. This is a sample, but I really prefer this tiny size. So I really like that. The next thing that we got is the My Couture highlighter paper. Some people did get the Derma E scrub. I remember whenever I filled out my profile, I said that I didn't like physical scrubs, so they sent me the highlighter paper. But in preparation for this video this morning, I couldn't find it, and I really actually haven't had a chance to use it yet. I think I might have lost it when I was trying to pack for our vacation to Arizona, and I have no idea where it is. The next thing though that we got is the Red Apple Lipstick Lip Liner, and I got it in the shade Barely Pink. It is the shade that I have on my lips right now, topped with Mabel. This is also by Red Apple Lipstick. I bought this a long time ago, and it's like a pinky shade, because on its own, let me swatch it for you, I think it is like way too brown for me. I put this on today for the purpose of this video, but I would like it better as a fall lipstick shade, I think. And last but certainly not least, and I think this is one of my favorite products that I've gotten from Petit Vour so far, and I've been subscribed to them for almost 2 years now, is the Zabana Essentials Tamanu Calendula Healing and Anti-Blemish Face Balm. After I unboxed this last month, I got the most raging hormonal breakout around my chin and my jaw. So before I went to bed, I slathered this sucker all over my chin and my jaw, and I swear to you, by the next morning when I woke up, they were almost gone. So the night after, I put this on all over my face, and I woke up with the calmest I have ever seen my skin, and I have been using it non-stop since then. I've used up half of this jar, but only because not only have I been using it every day or every night, I also put some, I decanted some in a smaller jar and put in our first aid kit, as well as my travel cosmetic bag. So that's my little review of the February box. So now let's get into the March box. I've already gotten into this. I've only opened it to see what's inside, because whenever I came back from our week-and-a-half trip to Arizona, this was in my mailbox. And I hadn't watched anybody's unboxing videos yet, and so I wanted to see what's inside, and I didn't know when I'd be able to sit down to film this video for you guys, so I went ahead and cracked it open to see what's inside, and let me tell you all about it. The first thing that came in the March Petit Vour box is the Konjac Sponge Co. 100% Pure Konjac Angel Cloth, and this is a full-size, valued at $16. And this is supposed to be a little konjac sponge. Let me open it. See, I haven't opened it. Shaped like an angel, and it says, for the face of an angel. And it looks like just a cloth. We've gotten a konjac sponge, one of those little round things, from this company before, I think. It says that it's made entirely of the konjac plant. This pure vegetable fiber cloth will replace your staple muslin or towel. So it's shaped like a little angel right now, and then you wet it, and it's supposed to just like a regular konjac sponge. It's really hard and stiff right now. It'll absorb some water and turn into a little towel that you can use to wash your face. It does say on the packaging that you can use it with or without a face wash, so I really like that. The next product that I received is the Kahina Giving Beauty Argan Oil. This is a 10 ml sample size. It says it's $10 and the full size is $82. So argan oil is one of the first facial oils I tried. I tried the Josie Maran argan oil whenever I was first getting into green beauty, and I really liked it. I did find that it is a little bit too heavy for my face, so my favorite thing to use it on is either as a body oil or as a hair oil, which I don't have anything on my hair right now. I just kind of air dried it, and it's a curly, straight, wavy mess. But I'm currently using the Cure Argan Oil. I am very excited to see how this compares because a Cure is on the less expensive side. And then speaking of hair, we also got a Yarok Feed Your Ends Leave-In Conditioner. And this is a heat protectant, which I was really excited to see because I haven't used a heat protector in my hair for a very long time. I'm currently using the Inner Sense Leave-In Conditioner. I really like that, but it doesn't have a heat protectant in it, I don't believe, which is not really a big deal because I usually just air dry my hair. But it would be really nice to have a heat protectant for whenever I do want to blow dry my hair or even straighten it with a straightening iron or a curling iron. This is obviously a sample size. It's 2 ounces. So I'm excited to take this. I'm going back to Arizona in a couple of weeks for my best friend's wedding. So there will be definitely heat put on my hair. And this is a 2-ounce bottle, so I can take it on the plane with me. Oh, and at the bottom of this, it says the batch number 4446 and used before August 4th, 2019. I really like that. A little expiration date. Usually they would just have the little sticker on there that says it's good for 6 months or something like that, you know? It has really good ingredients. It says here that this is a sample size valued at $14. The full size is $27, which I don't think is a really bad price for a leave-in conditioner, especially of the natural variety. I used many of the, what was it, Paul Mitchell leave-in conditioner spray when I was in my teens, and that was not cheap. So it says that it's supposed to be a shine enhancer, heat protector, and detangler all in one. Spray on damp hair in even sections, then style as usual. So super excited to give this a try. I will report back next month. And the last product that I received is this Everyday Minerals Velvet Eyeshadow in the shade Fresh Glowing. Is that the shade? Yeah, Fresh Glowing. This is a full-size little jar of loose mineral eyeshadow powder, and it is $6. It says that it's this velvety, soft, tan eyeshadow with pearlescent sheen is perfect for highlighting the lid, brow bone, inner corners, and even the tops of your cheekbones. I want to open this and swatch it for you guys. That's what it looks like, kind of just smushed into my hand. Very pearlescent. See how it looks. It doesn't have huge chunks of glitter, which I like, and that's what it looks like, kind of blended in. I really like that. Just very pretty. Like it said, it'd be perfect for a brow bone highlight and inner corner, but I'll play around with it and report back next month. So that is it for my March Petit Vour unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which of these products you are most excited about trying if you are getting this month's box. I always like talking green beauty with you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!